it's alright. So I'm trying to make a bubble, but the crunchy one doesn't make bubbles. So, oh, okay, let's get. Oh, it popped. Oh, it popped. That's why you can't make bubbles, because there's erasers on it. So this is how I did. So I have like a small rectangle eraser, then I cut it into like lines like these, like that lines, and I cut it, and there it is. That way. Hey, let's try to make this. Oh, I think. Oh, careful, it doesn't come out. Oh, there's hair. I think it's my hair. Oh well. My sister just played my slime. Oh. So that's my eraser kind of. Milk Climb. I know Milk Climb hasn't had erasers, but oh well. So, oh, back. Wait, I need to be back. So I'm back, sorry, because I just went to the bathroom. Okay. So, I can tell that my slime is crunchy, but except there's no foam in it. Like, foam balls or something. There's no, but I just made it into erasers because I saw this in YouTube that put erasers into slime, then cut erasers, put it into slime, and then it like worked into slime. So I just see it like I'm gonna try it into a video. There is it. So clicky. So guys, that's the end of my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye guys!